Solar energy conversion efficiency refers to the proportion of solar cells that convert solar light energy into electricity. In simple terms, it is the proportion of solar energy absorbed by solar cells that is converted into usable electricity. If we think of sunlight as water, a solar panel is like a water pump. The more efficient the conversion, the more efficient the pump is, and the more water it can pump, or in this case, convert to electricity. Four main factors affect the conversion rate: solar cell material, battery structure, battery process technology, and the operating environment. Firstly, different solar cell materials, such as silicon, perovskite, etc., have different photoelectric characteristics affecting conversion efficiency. Secondly, is the internal structure of the solar panel. Thirdly, the precision of the manufacturing process directly affects the quality and efficiency of the solar panel. Lastly, environmental factors such as temperature and light intensity can affect the performance of solar cells. In most cases, the actual power of solar panels does not reach the nominal rated power and is a normal phenomenon. The affecting factors are the following aspects. Firstly, the intensity of the light will cause the fluctuation of the output power of the solar panel. When using solar panels in the midday, the output power will be relatively close to that from the test conditions, and it will be less than the nominal value if the panels are used in the early morning or late afternoon. Different weather conditions will affect the light conditions. For example, solar power will be far less than rated in haze, cloud, or rain. Secondly, the surface temperature of the solar panel will affect its performance. The lower the surface temperature is, the better the power performance will be. For example, when using solar panels in winter, the power of solar panels will be higher than in summer, which is a normal phenomenon. Usually, the temperature of solar panels exposed to light in summer will be close to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And even if the light is better, it will be approximately 13% lower than the nominal power. Thirdly, the angle of the sun's rays also affects power. In good light conditions, the tilt angle of the solar panel only needs to be perpendicular to the angle of light, resulting in a better conversion performance. Under normal circumstances, the light angle and the solar panel are maintained within the 80 to 100 degrees range and will not affect the solar panel power too much. Fourthly, when the solar panel is in use, as much as possible, the surface should not be shielded. Projection, foreign body, and glass shielding will cause its power to decrease significantly. If the above conditions are met in the process of using an EcoFlow solar panel, the solar panel has no power, or the power is far less than the nominal data, there may be a fault. Please contact EcoFlow support for after-sales processing. In summary, solar energy conversion efficiency is a key indicator in measuring the performance of solar cells. Improving conversion efficiency not only improves solar power generation, but also reduces costs and promotes the development of the solar industry.